or was the best thing you ever did? How about you? How's your daughter? That was her on the phone, wasn't it?
What makes you say that?
You silenced a couple phone calls earlier, which means they probably weren't work related and they were right around bedtime in DC. Plus you were hanging on to that little bird while you were on the phone, so I'm gonna assume that was for her.
My daughter. Maybe I have a son.
I'm sure you do. I guess even more than one, actually. There's something about Jason Killer's affairs, what he did to those girls. My daughter is different.
Her name is Ren. She likes to collect little birds and things. And we have 3 sons. Spent a decade chasing terrorists and traffickers. I know how to deal with evil. I've been up close to it. But that was...
Overseas. This is where our kids live.
Speaking of your career, you weren't made to be on the sidelines, Bex. Spoke to the AG. There's any good more inmates to find.
How many?
A lot. You want it back in? This is back in.